Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So pretend that you want to know the totals of dental only, and I just made copies of this dental here. So I'm just going to write in dental whatever. So it's the SUMIF function. So I want to hit the equals sign, then type in sum, and I go to SUMIF right here and hit enter. Oh shoot, I messed that up. It's equals SUMIF, then I double click it. Sorry, that's what I missed. I double click it. So first thing it wants is the range. My range is all of the data. I'm not going all the way to the left because that'll mess it up. That's all my data. Then you have to add a comma. Then the next thing it wants is criteria. See how it's in bold now? The criteria that I want is dental. So I just click just one box, then comma again. That moves it to sum range. The sum range that I want is from here to here. Then I hit enter, and that's the total for every one of these that says dental. So you can do that for, you can make it